We are recording the sewer line here at 10610 8th Avenue Northwest, March 9th, 2021. Making this recording from the toilet flange here in the main floor of the home. We are some 70 some odd feet down the line right now. We are at a large lip on the pipe. Now, I can't get my camera to jump this mortared lip right here. One of the other estimators who's been out here before me was able to get it over. So I'm going to use that footage, or use the footage that they made to get an idea of what this liner length would be. It looks like it's going to be a total of 25 feet of 6-inch diameter liner. So there's another 12 feet or so beyond this spot that is seen in a different video that I can't see on mine, but it is intact and it goes right down to the main. So coming back from that point, you can see I've zeroed out my footage. And as you can see here, we come back about 13 feet, and sure enough, I am coming back into the 4-inch section. So it's going from 4-inch to 6-inch diameter sewer right here at this spot. 25 feet of 6-inch diameter liner downstream. We're now back in 4-inch, so I'm going to zero out my footage here. 4-inch diameter coming back. We're going to look for any Y tie-ins or branch arms coming off the line. There are a number of downspouts tied into this sewer line. There's some roots coming into the line at some of these seams. Got a tie-in on the right side of the pipe there. You can see there's a branch arm coming off, and that's right as you come back into cast iron. So we've got about 43 feet of 4-inch diameter pipe and a branch arm tie-in just to the right of the line. I'm going to come back up out of the cast iron here just to show the rest of the line, and then go do some locating out front. Branch arm tie-in inside the cast there. And coming up out of the toilet flange there is the toilet flange we're making this recording from. End the video there. Do a little locating.